Once upon a time, there were a king and a queen. The queen gave birth to a daughter with skin as white as snow, hair as black as ebony, and lips as red as blood. Because of this, she was named Tushara Sundari. A few years later, the queen passed away and the king remarried. The new queen was very proud and jealous. Her magical mirror always told the truth. She would ask, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?" The mirror would reply, "Queen, you are fair, but Tushara Sundari is fairer than you." Hearing this, the queen became furious and plotted to kill her. However, Tushara Sundari fled to the forest and stayed at the house of 7 dwarfs. They loved her and provided her with protection. The evil queen, disguised in various forms, tried to kill Tushara Sundari by giving her a poisoned apple. In the end, after eating the poisoned apple, she fell into a deep sleep. But then, a handsome prince came and kissed her, waking her up. At last, Tushara Sundari and the prince got married and lived happily ever after.